The whole human society of the present common, majority, they got less, especially the communists. They don't acknowledge the scientists, the philosophers, the scholars, all the parties.
Some circles, yes, but you can't say that scientists are working in a way that is opposite to God's will.
Always, I met many scientists. They say that we shall solve everything by scientific out, and we have done already. You see that?
But just because they are...
And there is a big theory, chemical theory, one big scientist, big or small, whatever we but here is not a Nobel Prize.
It's medium-sized. It's medium-sized.
Yes. He making the theory, the light has come from chemical. The chemical evolution. That theory of from do that. Big scientists, they are so full that light has come from matter. Very full.
It's not a very...
I lectured in California University, and there was one student, his mind is happy. He challenged me that he could deadly chemicals, whether you can manufacture life. That the answer was, that I cannot. What? You're putting this theory. The life has come from chemical. So science means observation and experiment. Now, the experimentally prove that the chemicals have produced a life.
They try.
Then it's not. When you're trying to be a lawyer, a barrister, that does not mean you're medicine.
Right.
When you're a student of law, you cannot say that I'm barrister. And you cannot. You're trying, that is other. And while I'm trying to be, they're taking the position of leader. That is the misleading. That is described as all the Bhagavatam. On the other hand, one blind man is trying to lead many other blind men. What is the rule of such leading?